I am doing this assignment for class number 10 and reviewing interface designs. The website I selected is Amazon.com. I'd like to go over a brief tour of the website, then move forward to the design aspect or the good things that Amazon's site is known for. I'll go over some of my recommendations or a few things that, in my opinion, Amazon can improve on. First off, I know plenty of you have used Amazon.com before and you are aware of the features and queues. As far as what Amazon does is they are online retail that sells anything that you can imagine as far as retail products and services as well. What we see here is a list of items that are supposed to be are supposed to be relevant to the time, such as our holidays are coming up and Black Friday here. We see ads such as iPhones, and it's just a list of recommendations. Then we move down to the relevant information that are grouped properly together, such as the payment products and help here. And then it goes down to smaller text, which is their affiliates or different functions of Amazon.com. As far as design aspect, we could see here, based off of the logical design, starting from top to bottom and then left to right, how a user would scan this page. You can see that they have their logo, their main logo design on the top left, so we know that we're on Amazon.com once we land on the page. And then they have a very good use of this moving element that captures the attention of the user or the customer that lands on the site. And they have these cues or these items that you can tell is easy to find and helps you scroll through the different types of advertisements or things they want to promote on their site. All the relevant information, such as your history and the main topics that you want to focus on, are all on the top, such as your account. Obviously, the site is different once you are logged in as a customer, because Amazon is known to advertise based on your previous history, and they have a very unique system that that showcases different items based on your previous purchase history. But this is just a generic page with no login. They make very good use of white space in the back. Their designs are very smooth as far as sequential order and logic, and they go off of the time of the year, such as this holiday and gifts that are coming up for the Christmas time and Black Friday deals. So the sequencing is properly done. What we see here is a very good use of interface design, because it's very easy for any user just to click an item and be able to know what that go get more details about the items or related items. Another aspect that I'd like to cover is the screen controls, and you can see here that it has drop downs, and you can click on it to show relevant information, and the page seems just a little bit more cluttered to me, which is one of the downfalls in my opinion. They make good use of the search feature, which you can search up anything, and they have a very sophisticated search system, and I find this to be important, especially on a website that sells millions to possibly billions of items. So I think that's one of the necessary things is having a good search function within the interface design. Another recommendation is um, I find that when I hover over certain things, I'd like to have the information appear to me, such as prices, and it seems like it makes you have to go into the actual item to get the pricing when I would prefer to just hover over it and have that information show to me. I'd like to also comment on their use of advertisements, and I'm not sure if this is just based on what they're trying to sell at the moment, or if they have vendors or people that bid for this. And I think that this might be different once you're logged in. Overall, I think Amazon does a really good job of using different images and different fonts to clearly show what they're advertising, what they're trying to sell to you. And this is my review of Amazon.com.